Open PicsArt app and plus button, select your photo. Tools button, crop, portrait size and perfect size. Okay, and done. Tools button, adjust, brightness minus, saturation minus and highlight plus, shadow minus. Okay, and done. Feed button, portrait size, eraser and person and color black. And draw tool and add object, photo and select text photo. And layer button, select multiply and done. Effect button, FX tool and HDR effect select and merge and adjust. Select feather 1 effect and multiply, fade to 0. Okay, and done. And save your photo. এই ফটো এডিটিং এর জন্য আমাদের চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখুন and thanks for watching.